Welcome to another episode of Beginner's Barbecue Outdoor. On this episode, we're doing a fan favorite football game day type bratwurst. Let's fire up the traeger. So right here we got the Kroger brand beer bratwurst. So on this is my first time doing this on the traeger, which I'm pretty excited to try out because I heard they're really good. Now what I'm gonna do is, I've seen a lot of videos and they all put seasoning, and I've never done that. And I'm like, seasoning on bratwurst? But hey, it looked good. It could be has the potential of being really good. I'm gonna give this a try. So I'm gonna be using Killer Hogs barbecue rub for this. Let's see how it does. If I can get it open. Yeah, there we go. So apparently you just add a little bit of rub on this. That's some rub. It gives a really good flavor. That's what I hear. Gives a really good flavor. Well, I am down to give it a try. Alright. Looks like it's in there pretty good. And these bad boys are ready to go into the traeger. So I'm going to put the brats in 350 degrees. I'm going to keep them for 20 minutes. So every 10 minutes, I'm going to flip them, get that grill mark on both sides. Just like the Traeger app, if you look over here, the Traeger app tells you everything. So I'm going by with this one with a little bit of tweak, because coleslaw, apple slaw, I'm just want normal brats. That's it on the bun, ketchup, mayo, you name it. So 20 minutes total time, 350 degrees. Internal temperature, they saying 160, 165. I'll look that up again and I'll let you guys know on the next part. Now that the Traeger is to temp, 350, let's put in the brats. 20 minutes total time. 10 minutes flip. We'll see. It's been 10 minutes. Time to flip them. Ooh, look at that. More minutes, that's what they said. Let's see, we'll find out. It's been about 20 minutes. We're gonna check temperature on the brats. Oh, they're ready. They're ready and juicy. broth should look right there. Look at that. Look at that. Let's turn this into shutdown cycle. It will shut down by itself. And they look great. These are the best brats I've ever cooked. And I've cooked quite a few on a barbecue gas grill. And they're always burned because they have to be in a certain temperature. And with all that heat, it's tough. And anybody that has done these before, they know how tough it is. Well, this was easy. Easy. And they look great. Let's look at them. Look at that. They just... Look at that. They look perfect. So, let's try them out. Let's get one of these bad boys. Let's do that. Let's get better. I like it, mine with mayo. Mayo's got to be a little bit of ketchup. Gotta have your mustard. Oh, there we go. All right, guys. Here it is. Sunday football meals. When you got a good game on, this is what you're gonna want. Whew, let's try it out. Oh man, that's gonna be good. Look at the juiciness. Look at all the juice. It stays there. Oh man. Wow. Alright guys. This was great. The best brat I've had. I didn't know that seasoning did kick it up a notch a little bit. If you haven't tried it. It's a game changer. So, remember to like the video, subscribe. We're getting up there, guys. We're getting up there. And we'll see you guys on the next time.